Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to create new category for admin. So let's see how can we create a new category. First of all, go to the admin controller. So just go inside the app directory, http controllers, and let's open admin controller. And here let's create a new function. So right here public function and function name category add, and inside this function just return a view which is category add, which is inside the admin folder. Now let's create the route for this function. So go to the routes directory and then open web.php, and here inside the admin route group just add here a new route ::get, and add here the URI admin/category -add, controller name, function name category add, and route name which is admin.category.add. Okay, now let's copy this route name and let's open the categories view. So go to the resources directory, then views, and then admin folder, and let's open the categories. And here inside this add a new category link, just put here double curly bracket route and paste here the route name which is admin.category.add. Okay, now let's copy this link and here inside the empty directive just paste here inside this href. Okay, now save this, and now let's create a view, this one category-add. So let's copy this and inside the admin directory let's create a new file here, category-add.blade.php. Now let's open the brand-add.blade.php file, and from this file let's select all the content. So select all and copy and go to the category add view file and here just paste. Now inside this file let's change everywhere brands to category. So change here the text category, add new category, and here back to categories. Also change here the href. So right here double curly bracket route and route name which is admin.categories. Okay, and inside this brand add view file let's change here the link. This is the incorrect link, so just add here the correct link which is route admin.brands. Now category add view file let's change here the form action and just write here category.store this route and inside this label just write here category. Now let's copy this and paste here, also change here. Okay, let's find brand. Okay, so right here category and find next, paste here. Everywhere just change here the text brand to categories. So categories, now it's done. So save this file and let's create a new function. Now go to the admin controller and let's create a function here for storing the category. So let's copy this function brand store. So just select and copy, and here just paste here. Now change here the function name, which is category store. Okay, so just to select this and press Ctrl D to select all the brand. Okay, Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Okay, all selected. Now just write here category. Okay, for model name just write here the capital C, and here just press Ctrl D and write here the correct name, which is categories. Okay, also write here the capital C. Now it's done. Now save this, and let's create a route for this category store method. So go to the web.php, and here let's create a new route, which is route : method post. Add here the URI, which is this one, admin / category store, controller name AdminController, and function name category store, and put here the name, which is admin.category.store. Okay, and now save this. Now it's done. So let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now just click on add a new category, and you can see here the page for adding the new category. Okay, if I click on back to category, you can see here the category page. Now let's add the new category. So right here category 3. Okay, select the image, set as active, save. Okay, there is one error inside the validate method, so just check here. Okay, spelling mistake, so right here categories. Okay, now save this and go back and refresh the page. Now just add here the category 3, select the category logo, set as active. Now click on save, and you can see here category added successfully. Alright, now add one more category here. So right here, this time category 4, select the category logo, set as active category, and click on save, and you can see here category 4 added. This video covers new category creation for the admin panel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.